In this video, I will show you how to set up the Rank Math plugin in WordPress. Want to improve your website's SEO, track your performance in Google search, and connect Google Analytics to your site? Here's how to fully set up the Rank Math plugin in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. In the search box, type Rank Math. When you see the Rank Math SEO plugin, click Install Now and then click Activate once the installation is complete. After activating the plugin, Rank Math will automatically launch its setup wizard. Click Connect your account to continue. If you already have a Rank Math account, simply log in. If you don't have one yet, click Register Now and create a free account using your Google account, Facebook account, WordPress.com account, or an email address. Once you've successfully connected your account, Rank Math will ask you to choose a setup mode. Select Advanced Mode to access all available SEO features, then click Start Wizard. On the website information screen, choose the type of website you have. For example, you can select personal blog, business website, portfolio, online store, or another option that best matches your site. Next, verify your website name and fill in any additional information if needed. You'll also see an option to upload a logo for Google. It's recommended to upload a square version of your website logo because Google may use it in search results and other Google services. Below that, you'll find the default social share image option. This image will be used when someone shares your content on social media and a featured image isn't available. You can upload an image here or leave it blank if you always use featured images for your posts. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll be taken to the Google Services Setup page. This step allows Rank Math to connect with Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Click Connect Google Services and sign in with the Google account you want to use for your website. Review the permissions, select the requested options, and click Continue. After the connection is complete, Rank Math will automatically attempt to create and connect your website with Google Search Console and Google Analytics. If everything works correctly, you'll see your website listed in the available properties. Select your website from the drop-down menu. After selecting the appropriate options, click Save and Continue. On the Sitemap settings page, leave the default settings enabled. XML sitemaps help search engines discover and index your content more efficiently. Click Save and Continue to move to the next step. You'll then see the SEO Tweaks section. Here, Rank Math provides several recommended SEO settings. For most websites, the default options work well, so you can leave them as they are and click Save and Continue. Once the wizard is complete, click Return to Dashboard. Rank Math is now fully installed and configured on your WordPress website. To access additional settings, go to Rank Math from the WordPress sidebar. Here you can manage SEO titles and meta descriptions, monitor keyword rankings, view analytics reports, configure sitemaps, and optimize your posts and pages for search engines. That's how you set up the Rank Math plugin in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.